So let's just move on further after the special cases of section formula, and let's just try some of the questions that are based on the section formula. So the question number 1 under the sums based on section formula is, find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the point 4, -3 and 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1 internally. So let us suppose if I am drawing the situation. So we have let us suppose we are taking the 2 points as A and B. So we have the point A. Let us suppose I am taking it as 4, -3. We have the point B. We are taking it as 8, 5, and then we have to look out for the coordinates of any particular point P, whose coordinates I am taking as x, y, such that it is dividing the line segment in the ratio 3:1. 3:1 means this is the whole situation, and according to this situation, we have the values x1, y1, x2, y2 and m1 and m2. So we can apply the section formula over here. So let's just talk about the section formula. So as per the section formula, we have x and y. We have x and y as nothing but m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, further m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus of m2. So these are the values of x and y. So we can plug in all the values over here. Let's just talk about the values which are given. So we know that m1:m2 is actually given into the formation of 3:1, which implies the value of m1 is 3 and the value of m2 is 1. So let us suppose I am taking x1, y1 as 4, -3, and further I am taking x2, y2 as nothing but 8, 5. So let's just plug in all the values over here. So let's just talk about finding out the value of x first. So x is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Simultaneously I am finding out the value of y, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So let's just plug in the values as x is m1. What is the value of m1? m1 is 3, x2 is 8 plus m2 is nothing but 1, and further x1. So x1 is nothing but 4 divided by m1 plus m2 means 3 plus 1. Further we have y is equal to m1 is 3, y2 is 5. Further we have plus m2 is 1 and y1 is minus of 3 divided by 3 plus of 1. So let's just solve it. X is nothing but 24 plus of 4 divided by 4. Further y is 15 minus of 3 divided by 4. So x is 28 by 4 and y is 12 by 4. So it is 4 into 3 is 12, 4 into 7 is 28. Means we are getting x is equal to 7, y is equal to 3. It implies the coordinates. It implies the coordinates of the point which divides the joining of the points 4, -3 and 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1 internally is 7,3. Is 7,3, and this is nothing but our answer. As you can see, x is 7, y is 3, and using the section formula we have find out the coordinates. We actually have deducted the coordinates of the point which divides the joining of the 2 points, that is nothing but 7,3. So this is all about the question number 1 under the section formula.